I love magazines, but if I walk into a newsstand like this, I don't like all the magazines. There's some magazines I like and some I don't. If I find the section that I like, I'm usually just thrilled to sort of leaf through some of the magazines that are there, because magazines are edited by professionals who write great headlines, get great photos, and they figure out what would be most interesting. They prioritize it for us. They write these clever call-out lines that wind up on the cover of the news magazine. And so it's a very enjoyable experience because someone decided what to feature and what not to feature. Social media is very different because social media, we have to edit ourselves. And we do that through a search engine, right? We might do it through Google, we might do it through Twitter search, we might do it through Your Open Book to search Facebook, we might do it through LinkedIn, but we have to edit it ourselves. Clay Shirky wrote the bestseller, Here Comes Everybody, about social media, and the famous line from the book that gets heralded even today is, it's not information overload, it's filter failure. See, a lot of people look at social media, Twitter's a great example, and they say, gosh, there's so much information there, it's not useful to me, and they're like overloaded. There's just too much information for them to be able to deal with it. It's not that there's too much information, it's just that they don't know how to edit it, right? If I walked into the newsstand and I looked at all the magazines that were there, it would be information overload for me. But I can use my feet and my eyes to take me to the section of the newsstand that's most interesting and focus in on what I'm interested in specifically. And you can do the same thing with social media if you understand how to do what I'm going to show you how to do in this class. So let's get started.